Hey everyone, I'm sure you will agree that each of us is trying to look at her best and hide any imperfections there are, including acne. So today we will do vice versa. Yes, the third Halloween Extra episode is going to be dedicated to fake acne. So let's begin. Alright, so for a start, I will create a bit of redness on my skin. To do so, I will apply dark pink lipstick to some areas of my face with the help of a sponge. I create this background in several steps, as otherwise it might not look realistic enough. Okay, so at first I create a light pink background and then slightly darken it with some more color. Now let's create the illusion of spots in 2D format. Just scatter some pink dots all around your face. And finally comes the term of voluminous acne. They're actually really easy to do. Just apply some spots using latex on top of your fake redness. This way you will get white spots. However, if you apply some pink color on top, you will get a really real looking inflamed acne. And that is it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel in order not to miss any new Halloween Extra episodes. As in October, I upload every single day. Thank you, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!